depending on what it is that they choose to desire from it, be it to educate themselves, to share their skills, to create communities where they can further empower other women. It really is a very powerful tool. You know, I mean, I don't think we really need to sit here and discuss the power of the internet. I think that everybody knows. And the fact that someone does not have access to it, or is slightly concerned, at times frightened to take that first step, because it seems like such a large world and you feel very scared at times when you don't know exactly what it is you can do once you're on it. It needs a certain degree of encouragement, and once you're in there, I think then really the technology takes over, you know, and your curiosity takes over, and the fear of how to maneuver in this new world is gone. So it's like jumping into the deep end of a swimming pool, you know, so you need somebody to be able to be there to show you that it's not that dangerous and you can swim around, and once you start swimming around, you're gonna have a blast.
वीडियो एक्चुअली हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से ये सोच रहे थे कि कुछ करना चाहिए साथ में, और ये गाना हमारे पास पहले से था। 2 लाइन लिखी हुई थी, छूले आसमां ये जहां हम जीत ले, और हम जब ये गाना फरहान के पास ले गए तो उसे बहुत पसंद आया। ही सेड, यू नो, लेट्स वर्क ऑन दिस एंड डू समथिंग अ लिटिल मोर देन व्हाट वी नॉर्मली डू। एक कोलैबोरेशन होता है तो हम लोग साथ में मिलके गाना बनाते हैं, गाना रिलीज़ करते हैं, और वो गाना आता है, रहता है, कभी बड़ा हो जाता है, कभी निकल जाता है। इस बार हम ये सोच रहे थे कि लेट्स टेक इट एज एन इनिशिएटिव टू, हम लोग हमेशा गाने बनाते हैं जब हम लव सॉन्ग्स बनाते हैं, लड़की की प्रशंसा करते हैं, औरत की ब्यूटी के बारे में बात करते हैं, प्यार के बारे में बात करते हैं। कभी ऐसे नहीं बनाया कि लेट्स टॉक अबाउट helping them in a way, or talking about their problems from their perspective. So गाना वहाँ से शुरू हुआ, और फरहान के साथ हम बैठे थे and he used to say, you know, we should, you know, they talk about all these things like पढ़ लिख कर आजकल क्या करोगी, तुम्हें तो घर बसाना है. So you know, we should pick up these lines and put them in the song, and that's how the song came about.
Initiative. And because it really helps us leverage the power of music to inspire, to educate, to empower. I think our first step in our partnership is to take this amazing video and song and get it out to the 230 million Indians who are online. So there are 230 million Indians online. Every month, 5 million new Indians come online. So the first step would be to get this out to the 200 million plus Indians, and if we can get every single one of those Indian users who are online to listen to this, to embrace it, to get inspired by it, and to go out and get one woman, Indian woman who's not online on the internet, I think that by itself will be a massive impact. And then above and beyond that, I think we're very excited about the partnership and look forward to doing a lot more.
जी, एक्चुअली बात यह है कि इंडिया इज़ मोर अ मोबाइल इकोनॉमी देन इट इज़ रियली एन पीपल सिटिंग ऑन अ लैपटॉप ऑन अ डेस्कटॉप. तो what you can do on a mobile technology is growing by leaps and bounds. Also people using smartphones now, those numbers are growing by leaps and bounds. तो ये जो access है to technology doesn't necessarily only have to be of a desktop, क्योंकि फ़ोन आप कहीं भी चार्ज कर सकते हैं, वो तो होता ही है. And that is something that is truly spreading across this country, mobile technology, and Google of course is on.